Hi folks, so this morning I wanted to show you how to set up projects in Maya correctly. This is really important because we don't want to lose any of our work when we're working in Maya, and I've noticed that a few of you have ended up losing a lot of your work because you haven't set your project up properly. So I wanted to show you the correct way to do that. Now what I suggest you do is either on your shared area or on your desktop, your hard drive, somewhere you need to set and create a new folder. So I'm going to just do this on my desktop for now, but this is where you're going to save all of your Maya work into. Okay, so you can easily copy this to your Google Drive, or you can upload it, put it on your hard drive or in your shared area. So I'm going to just call this John Maya Work. You probably want to name it so we know that it's yours, but this is the folder that's going to store all of your Maya work. So in Maya, what you need to do is go File, Project Window. So open up the project window. We need to name our current project. So for example, let's say in this session I'm going to be modeling some props. What I would do is hit New, rename it, call it Props, and then location below, this is where you want to find the folder that you've just created. So I'm going to go to the desktop, John Maya Work, and just hit Select. And you can see what that's going to do is create a new folder within that called Props, and in that folder is going to be a series of subfolders where all of the assets and all of the things that I need for my scene will be stored. So hit Accept, and let's just go and have a quick look at the folder. So back to John Maya Work, and you can see now I've got a folder in there for props, and it's got all of my my subfolders in there. And what you'll end up with is, let's say next session you're going to work a weapon, next session we might have a look at some of our level design, whatever it might be. You're going to end up with little folders in here for all the different elements for your game. So please make sure you're setting up Maya that correct way, and that you are saving your work to your shared area or to Google Drive or on a USB stick or a hard drive. This is the cleanest way to work, so just make sure you're working that way. Alright, thanks folks.